Hola my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Gurishq Kaur, and in today's video I'll be swatching all the lip shades I own from Cuffs and Lashes. It's their matte lip lacquers. I own a bunch of their matte lip lacquers as well as their glosses. So I'll just brief you. Basically the brand sent me all the shades, but they did send me a while back when this product launched. It's been a while, I know, that these Cuffs and Lashes matte lip lacquers and glosses have been around. They're super affordable. That is why they are like, you know, the talk of the town, and every beauty creator I see using them. And I really wanted to do like a full-fledged review and also try out one of the very important and key ingredients of this launch, or the key product of this launch according to me, were these pigments. So these are basically pigments, alright, that you can mix in with your liquid lipsticks or your lip glosses even, to create your own blurry lip shade. That is so cool. That is straight up so cool. And I have 4 of these right here. So the brand did send me the entire collection, like all the shades, but mera Sara makeup, including my lipsticks and glosses and everything, is all open to my family and friends. So I guess as I was like sorting out my makeup for this video and, you know, gathering all my Cuffs and Lashes lip shades, I did realize kuch shades missing hai, because definitely my friends family mein se kisi ne liye honge. It's not there, so it's not really all the shades, but I'll swatch. But I have a lot of shades still, so I'll swatch all the shades I have and test these out. I have not used this abhi tak, and I was actually very excited to use this like since months. I don't know if I'm बीच में भूल जाती हूँ. So that's what we're doing today. We're trying out these pigments. Do they really even work? I have seen them working for some people and they seem very cool to me, and there's nothing, absolutely nothing like this in the Indian market. So let's see like what Nidhi has given us. Like, it's so new and so cool. Okay, so without any further blabbering, let's get right into the video. Okay, so first of all, we'll be testing out the pigments, and the swatches to all the shades will be at this timestamp, so you can refer to that. So for the lip base, to try the pigment, I'm going to use this shade. It's actually a very warm toned red. So it's, you know, it's a very orangey warm red, and this is in the shade Royalty 01. But if you know me, you would know that I like my reds to be more cool toned. So I'm going to mix this blue pigment with this warm red and see how this transforms the lip. Okay, then here we go. I'm a little like, I've not used this, okay, so I'm a little... You see that it's a very rusty warm red. I have to mix this before it dries down, guys. Let's do one lip at a time. It looks a little weird. I'm going to add 2 dots of the blue. Oh, so instead of... But I don't mind that. Okay. Interesting. So instead of turning like a more cool toned red, it did turn into this maroonish shade. It's not even maroon, it's not burgundy, it's not maroon, sort of a rust shade. Like, I don't know how to describe this shade. Do just have a look. I'll put the actual lip color. Now I'll put the actual lip color on top of my lips so you can see the difference. You see that? From this it went to this. Oh, that's interesting. I guess I need to get a hang of it, that what color mixed with what color turns into what color. Interesting. The difference is interesting to me so far. I just clean my hand really quick, and I saw that red ke sath green mix karke you can make brown. So I'll try to do that. I'm taking the green one now. I'll just add this much for starters. Yeah. वो तो blue green का थोड़ा similar ही आ रहा है. A brownish red, if I may. It is so cool. And just like that, in front of you, the top lip turned into a literal brown lipstick from red. How cool is that? It's on my teeth also. I guess फिर इसकी एक चीज़ है कि mix करते हुए basically इसको mix करते हुए और कौन सा word होता है? Mix करते हुए the edges of my lipstick got a little messy, probably because I'm not used to it, of course. But dude, also the formula of these lipsticks, it's so good. It's such a good matte liquid lipstick formula. Definitely it's transfer proof and completely matte, and just these are actually too good. Nidhi really aced it with these liquid lipsticks. I really love them. I have also said this in one of my earlier videos. New makeup launches tha, when I was just saying, yeah, when it was a new makeup launch once upon a time. But that's pretty interesting. So the green one turned into a proper brown. The blue one, the red mixed with the blue pigment, turned into a rusty shade. Like it's close to brown, but it's not really brown. The upper lip is brown, the below lip is like rust. Wow, I'm like I'm just impressed by this technology. However, I mean, I get it. It's basic color theory. So I guess मेरी color theory इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, तो मुझे बहुत वो लग रहा है, fascinating लग रहा है. But it still is very fascinating. The very fact that you can, you know, customize your own lip shade is pretty cool, I want to say. Let's try the other ones also. Alrighty guys, so we have tried the green and blue pigment. They work, first of all, just a general note, they work and so well. Okay, so to test out these two pigments, I've picked this purple shade right here from the range. It's 03YT YouTube, I guess. And since it's purple and I don't really wear like straight up purple lipsticks, so white se mujhe expected hai kuch light mauve sa kar dega lipstick ko. And then from yellow, probably make it warmer. I don't even know ये color theory सच में weak है. What like purple and yellow combined would look like. So let's see for ourselves. Straight up purple, dude. Let's do yellow on the bottom lip because that's what I'm really excited for. I'll just do. I guess it's not hot there. I don't know. Okay, what is this color even? So it's turning into this sort of nude shade. I don't even know what this color is, dude. I guess thoda sa brownish hota, purple or yellow, because purple is it's a cool toned brown. Interesting. That's an interesting shade, but I still can't like name this color. Like, what is this color? It's a nude brown, right? I'm not crazy. It's a nude brown, definitely has mauvey undertones because I used mauve. Bro, color theory is so interesting, I tell you. Yeah, it's a nude brown, but that's good. So per se, I have this purple lipstick that I don't like. I don't really want to use it. But combined with the yellow pigment, it gives me such a pretty nude shade. I'm like impressed or whatever. Again, taking the same purple. Oh boy, that's where from where we started. Just I'm messing the lip shape and it really irritates me. Okay, time for this baby right here. I'm getting it on my teeth also. Did I do too much? This will just make it into a lilac lipstick, I guess. It does not look good on camera, however, to do this. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Also, it's थोड़ा सा elegant इसलिए भी नहीं लग रहा because I'm doing like one on each lip. So if you basically generally want to mix it, दोनों lip पे तमीज़ से lipstick लगाओ. Put a dot here, put a dot here, and just, you know, purse your lips like that and do with your lips. It was funnier in my head. So that just made it into like a lighter purple, like a lilac shade, literally. That's really cool. So per se, I have a darker pink lipstick and I want to wear a more subtle pink. just mix in a couple of drops of white and you have a subtle pink. How cool is that? And the yellow of course lightened the lip color, but it did change the undertone of it, right? So it made it more brownish. Whereas white, as white does, the basic color theory really, it's the basic principles with these colors also. Yellow उसने थोड़ा color change कर उसको brownish कर दिया, whereas white literally just muted down the color. Same undertone, same purple का pack, you know, that color का वो, the potency of purple is there, but it's just slightly muted, slightly light. I'm very impressed. These work. You can definitely purchase one of these according to whatever your preference, and I really like these. Very affordable. Additionally, the liquid lipstick formula in general by Cuffs and Lashes, this one in particular, these matte lip lacquers are Gurishq approved. I really enjoy using these. Further, if you want to see swatches of all the Cuffs and Lashes matte lip lacquers as well as lip glosses that I currently own, please keep on watching.